Hey everybody, this is Larry, this is Miko with Q2 of the weekly contest 430. Find the lexicographically largest string from the box 1, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, join me on Discord, let me know what you think about this one. So this one I made a lot of silly mistakes, or 2 of them at least. The thing you have to understand for this one obviously is the definition of lexicographically largest. And there are 2 properties that I would think about. One is that the first characters matter the most, and then the second thing is that you want to optimize for as long as you can, because all things like if 2 strings have the same length, or sorry, have the same prefix, then the longer string is going to be the answer, right? And in this case, in a greedy way, you want the longest string possible. And that means that for number of friends, you just basically want to give the other friends one character, and that's it. That's really the general idea for this one. Yeah. I think the edge case is that if the number of friends is 1, then you have to take the entire string because you cannot start from the middle of the string or whatever. So I think that's one edge case that I have. And then the second edge case was just trying to fix that, but in a silly way with respect to because you can't do fewer than the max string if the answer comes in at the end, right? For example, if you have if your input is something like A, B, C, D, Z, it doesn't matter how many friends you have, if Z would be your answer, even though you only have 1 character, right? So that's the only difference. But yeah, this is my solution. It is going. The thing about n is that n is 5,000, so n squared should be okay. And I say that with a sign because in Leetcode, you never really know with 5,000 squares fast enough because Leetcode is a little bit silly. But in this particular case, I thought it would be fast enough because, at least in Python, string operations are very fast. With some nuances, but in general, right? And this is basically my code, is that if there's only 1, then just return word. You can't divide anything. Otherwise, then the length that we want to look at is at least these. You could do the math and prove it yourself, but basically it just means that for every other friend, you give them 1 character, because then you want the longest string for yourself, and that's the thing. But you are able to extend past the end because like I said, the A, B, C, Z case, right, where you want the last character and that's it, and that's fine. Because then now someone else gets the extra characters. It doesn't matter who gets, But yeah, and this is basically the idea for each I and N. I look at this word and I just compare it to best. This is a linear loop. This is a linear time comparison. So this is going to be linear time-ish. Oh, sorry, N squared time. And that is going to be for 5,000, just barely fast enough. And for me, let's actually take a look real quick. Yeah, this took really quick. So yeah, no worries here. But yeah, that is all I have for this one. Very easy to make silly mistakes, and kind of looking at the leaderboard, a lot of people make silly mistakes, I suppose, on this one. I do wonder what they did, but yeah, at the very least, I think probably this case is the big one. But yeah, let me know what you think. Thanks for watching, and you can watch me solve it live during the contest now. Well, it's a good thing I didn't do this contest live, I guess. I was thinking about that case, but then I just totally rushed it in the last minute, and I kind of didn't pace myself mentally. Okay, so silly 5-minute penalty already. Okay, let's go. So here are the cell problems. Given the word, and then the number of friends. What is this exact same split means? Okay, what does that mean? Okay, so I see It's kind of very awkward, but okay, fine. I think it's just getting okay. So largest is always going to be longer, so it's just about is equal to n minus number of friends or something, right? Plus 1 maybe. So 2 friends, then the longest is going to be 3. 4. Yeah, that sounds right. And 4 is going to be 4 minus 4 plus 1. Okay, right? And then it's just about having the longest substring from this point, right? What's that, 5,000? It's just barely like annoying to do with n square type things. How do I want to write this? I guess not really. Okay, fine. I guess that's n square. And in Python anyway, it should be a fast n square. So, okay. Man, I've been making a lot of mistakes. Oh, 1. That doesn't make sense, does it? Why would I do, am I just doing math wrong? A, B, C, G. That's, oh, you don't have a choice. Okay, no, but, oh, okay, this is dumb. I actually thought about this case, but I thought that it wouldn't matter. So okay, fine. Dumbo. Plus 1, I think. Okay, I am just being really dumb on this. Okay, so man, I am just being silly today. Okay, so maybe 1 is a special case. Okay, fine. I thought I was debating whether that was the case, but okay, fine. Two wrong answers. This is a terrible start. Okay, or 3 wrong answers in total already. But okay, we could. Thanks for watching, everybody. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, join me on Discord. Let me know what you think about today's contest, or this virtual contest, this explanation, the problem, everything in between. Yeah, stay good, stay healthy to good mental health. I'll see y'all later and take care. Bye bye.